Hi there, my name is Ankit Modi, and in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how we help our clients completely automate their LinkedIn and cold email prospecting using AI agents. Right now, look, if you're still relying on old traditional manual approach or ways to reach out to decision makers on a daily basis, then you're already falling behind because we are living in an AI age and everything is possible using AI agents, using AI, and you can actually replace your entire staff, your entire operations, manual processes, maybe fire your agency, or no longer need a huge SDR team, or maybe if you're working everything by yourself, you'll free up so much time by using this automated system. Now what basically this system does is it pulls in leads from a tool called Apollo. Maybe you must have heard of it, and it automatically qualifies them as per your ideal client profile. Meaning, basically, if you're running a SaaS business, and for example, and if you are targeting founders for your software, then if you build a leads list using Apollo, and if you enter criterias that okay, you want to target SaaS founders, so and so criteria, XYZ, revenue, employees, and all that stuff, right? That's still not a guarantee that all of those leads are as per your ICP, so or as per your requirements, right? So what this AI agent will do is it will check all these leads that you pulled in from a database like Apollo, and it will qualify them as per your exact requirements, every single lead. So 1,000 leads will all be checked, and from those 1,000 leads the AI agent will decide as per your own requirements that okay, only 500 are qualified and 500 are not qualified. On the other hand, there is a manual way to do this, which you may are probably doing is by actually checking in one by one or hiring someone to do this on your behalf, which is either taking up your own time or your team members time, and you're paying them for this, so basically your own money, right? And now you can replace this entire process using AI and AI agents, right? So once you understand how powerful this is, you'll actually realize that this can actually totally automate your whole operations, especially with regards to lead generation and prospecting, which exactly is the purpose of this automation, right? So moving on, once the leads are qualified, once we find out their email ID, the next step is we'll create a highly specific personalized first line based on their recent activities, based on the company news, the company hiring, job posts, or maybe they got funded recently. So all these different activities that are already happening in their world, you can actually track that with the help of AI agents. Create a personalized first line so that they know okay, you did some research before reaching out to them, and then you can send them a completely automated message using LinkedIn, using cold email, and that's how you'll get their attention and book meetings. Now this whole process is actually done by what we call a traditional SDR, where they build leads list, where they build uh, you know a list of qualified prospects, find out more information about them, make calls, send LinkedIn DMs, send emails, and that costs a lot, right? Maybe it's already costing you $50,000 to $100,000 or even more, right? 300 to 500,000, I don't know, but it's already costing you a lot. Or maybe you've hired a freelancer if you're a startup company, or if you really have like if you really are on a tight budget, then maybe you're doing it by yourself. But in all these three scenarios, it's not really helping you because you can actually automate this entire process, save time, save more money, and eventually make more money by completely replacing your existing process, right? So if you are keen on exploring how we can help you build this automation for your own agency or for your own in-house team or your business, just book a call with me using the link down below, and let's have a chat. Let's understand exactly how this automation can help you, or even if it's a good fit for you. And based on that, we can decide if you just want to take this automation and set it up yourself, or you want to hire us and have us set this automation for you. Whatever option you choose, that's totally okay with us, and ultimately our objective is to help you with a lot of value that we can, because we have already spent a lot of time building this, and you can totally save months and years of manual outreach and efforts and generate your pipeline with a lot of qualified appointments as quickly as possible using this process, right? So just use the link below and book a call with us, and let's see how we can work together.